Join me as I take on the challenge of starting my property investment journey with just £5,000 in 2025. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of property investment and how you can get started with just £5,000 in the current market. Now, many people think property investment requires hundreds of thousands of pounds, which can be a major barrier for new investors. This misconception often leads to missed opportunities for those who could benefit from property investment. Property investment doesn't have to be a game for the wealthy. There are various entry points. The traditional route of saving for a significant deposit on a property can take years, but what if there's a way to get involved sooner? Exploring alternative options can open up property investment to a wider audience. With little creativity and research, you can find ways to invest in property that fit your budget. Some of these alternative options are relatively new and have been made possible by technological advances and changes in regulations. They offer a chance for people to invest in property with lower capital requirements. We'll explore various options available for investing in property with a smaller budget, such as property crowdfunding, real estate investment trusts and partnerships. Property crowdfunding allows multiple investors to pool their funds to invest in property, making it more accessible. Real estate investment trusts enable individuals to invest in property without directly managing properties, so that can be a really big advantage, particularly with the Renters Reform Bill coming in. Partnerships can also be a viable option where investors pool resources and expertise. The key insight is that innovative platforms and strategies have made property investment more accessible than ever, allowing you to leverage your £5,000 effectively. These platforms often provide a range of investment options and manage the process, making it easier for beginners. Your £5,000 can be a starting point for diversifying your investments into the property market. By leveraging these innovative approaches, you can get started with a smaller amount. Understanding the risks and doing thorough research is crucial before making any investment. Each option comes with its own set of considerations, from the level of control you'll have to the potential returns and risks. It's essential to assess what aligns with your financial goals and your risk tolerance. In summary, starting your property investment journey with £5,000 is not only possible, but it's also practical if you know where to look and how to invest wisely. If you found this information helpful, make sure to check out my other videos on property investment strategies and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you'd like to discuss anything you've heard or seen on this video, don't hesitate to contact me. That's Alan on 07539 141257 or 0333 224 1257. Both of those numbers from outside the UK, you add +44 and drop the 0. So it's +44 7539 141257 or +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email at alan@alpasgroup.com. Cheers for now.